What's up, Mint Options World? What's going on? Mint VIP! Woo! Crazy day. This is how today went. It's like we're on a roller coaster. Ah. Ah. Holy. Holy. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. 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 Holy. Ah. That's how today went, guys. Like a crazy roller coaster, and we're at home sitting in our chairs in front of the computer. That's how it felt like today, guys. You're not on a roller coaster ride, but you felt the wooziness in your stomach. Right? This morning it was like, woo! Market was getting pumped by the feds. And then you saw some bull flags, and you're like, yeah, let me jump on that. Oh, bull flag. And then, boom, bull flag went, and then it went back, rallied back. Ooh, all right, all is well. We're fine. Oil's getting the oil market is or they decided 8.5 million. Yeah. Whoo! Back to business. But it doesn't stop there, does it? Oh, wham! Another whoosh! And you're like, but I was telling my group, I was like, guys, Powell said he will keep this market up by force. He used the word force. He said, forcefully, I will hold on to this market. So I held on to that. Plus, we got the G20 tomorrow, so that could push the market again. Technically, if you look at the day, even though we're only up 285 points, basically opened, we're at whatever it opened today, basically closed a little bit higher than the open, so which is good sign. Oil, that pushed us higher, but if the US also cuts oil, we can still go higher. Again, this market, it was bearish, right? We were under 270 just a few days ago, and then under 270 I said it was going to be bearish, and then I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, boom, it passed 270. So technically speaking, the market is no longer in bearish territory. It doesn't matter at this point right now, currently, right? April 9th at, 2 p.m., the market is bullish. So we have to follow the trend. Even though today the trend was nuts. It was like roller coaster. But when you get on a roller coaster, there's a start, and usually it'll go, but you go back to the beginning, right? So that's how the market's been kind of reacting. And if the market goes back from the start to the beginning, that's a good sign that the market is holding. If you look at the SPY charts and technical analysis, it's holding. It could go to 280 again. We're up on a rising wedge. We could go to 290. Again, the feds just keep saying, hey, we will pump. We will keep pumping, pump. So today, in reality though, 16 million jobs lost. To me, that is not good. That is not good. 16 million people without jobs is not good. But at the same time, the same day, the Fed said we will pump another $2.3 million into the market. Now, we always heard of that saying, do not fight the Feds. And this is exactly why. So what happens? What will happen now? There was a lot of shorts this past month, right? Everybody's shorting the market. Right when you feel like you're shorting the market, Boom, the market reversed back upwards, right? In basically a V-shaped pattern with a little bit of a pullback, but like almost like a V shape. Now all those people that shorted here and then went up here, shorted again, right? Because they thought it was gonna go down. But then boom, it reversed back on them, went way back up here. So now what's gonna happen? I was telling the group, I said, hey guys, FOMO is gonna happen. Now people are gonna think, well, I think this is the bottom. This is the bottom. And I've been shorting. And that's not good. I'm gonna lose money if I keep shorting. So they're gonna turn around, reverse the whole thing, take out their money, and buy. What's gonna happen to SPY? Can shoot straight up higher. So FOMO can hit if this market continues, and probably when that happens, that's when it's gonna go back down again. So those people who are chasing all the time, they're just gonna get hurt. But again, you got to follow the trend. You got to see what's going on. You got to listen to what the news is talking about, even though it was hard to decipher the sentiment. Okay, we can look at the charts and we can see, hey, this is bullish, this is building, it's built, it looks like it's gonna pop, all that good stuff. But at the same time, the market did also break all those rules, even though we had all those, patterns that showed up. The market broke all of them because it was going up 1,000 points, 1,000 down, 1,500 up, 2,000 down. It was just going thousands a day. So, so that was hard and tough for a lot of people. And then so what would happen is that, like, whatever range that you're measuring the market, you got to make it a bigger range because it's huge volumes every day, huge movements every day, hundreds, thousands of points every day. So, we had 1,600 point rally on Monday, and then we had a 900 point rally on Tuesday, and then boom, all that 900 got erased on that same day. So, and then we have a short weekend. A short week this week and a 3-day weekend. Happy Easter, by the way, to everybody. So, Trump is gonna definitely want to say, hey guys, it's Easter. Have a good weekend. As you can see, the market's up. I told you guys that the market is gonna go up, faster recovery and all that stuff that he said. And then he's gonna say, we have reached the peak of the coronavirus and we're here and we got like 10 different companies looking for vaccines and all this stuff, and it's pumping the market. And at the same time, feds are just continuing to pump the market. So what do? You follow the trend. Okay, we are in a rising wedge. We could go to 280, 290. Like I was saying, there's a gap fill at 290 area, so we could feel that. Again, if the feds are going to continue to pump, this will go higher. And then I think next week people are actually going to start getting checks in the mail, so they're going to pump that in the market. And in the news, everybody's getting checks, businesses are getting checks, da 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 da. And then all of a sudden it's like, oh, coronavirus numbers are going down, and everything's back to normal. But it was pretty crazy that it only took like 13 days for the market to hit the bottom at 218, and then now we already hit 280. That's huge, guys. That's a huge range. And I actually bought some stocks back down here, sold them up here, bought again, sold them up here on regular stocks. I'm not talking about options, but and then today, again, it was just another sign of the feds not giving up this market. So, and the reason is, if they give up the market, the housing market is going to get hit next. Now, after we hit 280 and 290, can we go back down? Yeah, we can, because we're going to need a big pullback, because then there's always going to be profit taking, right? But then again, the market reopens up, or the economy reopens up, businesses start to open up, hotels and cruise lines and airplanes and airports and travel and all that stuff, then we could still see another bump leg higher, especially for the ones that have FOMO, which is fear of missing out. So if you guys were nibbling at stocks on the bottom and then buying them up on the way up, good for you. As far as the options market, the options are actually getting better. The spreads are getting better. That's a good sign. The volatility is still you know, strong attack. I mean, like today it was like boom, boom, yeah, boom. It was like that. So that's like woo, roller coaster ride. Like I said, wah! But does the market look strong right now? Yes. Amazon is at 243. Next week that could be at 28 I'm sorry, not 243, 2043. It could be at 2050 very easily. That's like one candle for Amazon. It could be at 2100 in the next few days, and it can rally. Why? Because everybody's using Amazon. Amazon is a good one to trade and be bullish on. Again, it was pretty much impervious. If you look at the chart on Amazon, it's pretty much, after that dip at 1600, it just kept going up. Little dips here and there, but it was basically, very nice. If you draw like a straight line chart on it, it's a nice what is it? Nice volume going upwards. Nice trajectory going upwards. Um, BA is at 151. I did cash that out at 163 the other day, but now it's at 151. So a little bit of a pullback today on the airlines. Um, Again, SPY S&P 500 is looking strong because of the Fed's pumping, and again, they want to save the housing market. They want to save the credit crisis and all that other stuff. And it just seems like they're calling every company, every central bank, IMF, the World Banks to pump the market and to save it, because if they don't, then this can get worse. Now, again, can the market ignore all the coronavirus stuff? It's doing it now. But again, can we have a pullback? Yeah, we can. So it's all timing, but right now it does look bullish. And the G20 will meet tomorrow. That could pump the market again. Trump did want the whole economy to come back on Easter, so I think that's also a reason why the market is up. They're all in hand. They're all hand in hand, and it's not an easy market if you're trading options. If you're trading regular stocks, you'll be fine. Um, Now, can we still go back under 270? Yeah, we can. Um, but is it likely at this moment? Right now, it looks like it could hold. Okay, if we get above 280, we did get above 280 today. Um, I think we did it. What, did we go up above it twice today, or maybe three times today? Yeah, we did. We went above 281, 2, 3, 4 times today. And it did act as resistance, but we actually went to 281 too. So, but if next week, if that holds, all of a sudden the 280 will be the next support. It will be support. Right now, it's acting as a little bit of resistance, but if we blow past it, then it'll be support. So we already passed 270, way past that. So we are no longer in a bear market. We are in a bullish market. We could have a second bull run. Okay, so on the next big pullback, man, you gotta load up on them calls, because we could have a really, really nice run. All right, guys, that's it for today. Again, I think this next three days can, I mean, anything can happen, but it looks like the market wants up. All right, so peace out, guys. Happy Easter, everybody. I hope you guys had fun in this roller coaster ride today. But enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there. Wear your mask, wear your gloves when you go shopping, whatever. Still be safe. Coronavirus is still in effect and it is still real. So, yep, enjoy your weekend and happy Easter. Peace.